I'd like to talk to you guys about the Personals XYZ. My sister and I have written over 15 movie scripts, and the Personals XYZ is just one out of our collection that we've chosen to make into a feature film. Now, Doc, I'm personally right now on location that our location scouts gave to us for a picnic scene that we're going to be filming. It's called the Superstar scene. We'll give you more details as we're getting that pulled out, but we're going to get straight to our She's Hot contest, because the scenery is nice. And this one, our winner is Kim Kardashian. Now we're giving it back to Kim for the second time because she recently got inducted on the Sports Illustrated magazine. And I have to say, Kim is hot. She really nailed her look on the Sports Illustrated. I know a lot of people might not like it, but I personally think it was a 10 out of 10, just like Bo Derek's film 10. And a little bit of insight on the Piss and Pete relationship. Even if they get married, IK's advice is that they're not gonna last. But you know what, Kim? That's for you.
The whole thing is just pretty legendary if you ask me. I love it.
I've still got love for you, Kim and Kylie. But also to mention back on the Personals XYZ, for any ladies out there looking to work on a film that's going to be big, make sure to contact us, send us a DM at roseandgold.us or send us a Gmail at roseandgold.us@gmail.com, because we're looking for talents. We're looking for, if you think you have what it takes, send a submission in. That's for you. I'll see you on the next episode. I've got things to do and places to be.